Howdy folks, we are busy populating our tower, one of the towers that we recently moved to a new location, and I just want to show you how we do that, making sure that our towers, the strawberries in our towers take and that we don't have any mortalities. So we're putting 5 plants per tower, making sure that the wicking strip is back from the front and that the crown of the plant is actually in the dry zone, not on the wicking strip. So we want to keep the wicking strip in a little bit. We've put in a piece of old wicking strip in here which has already got a lot of biology on it, because this is a new wicking strip, so we're just getting the biology across from the one to the other. And we're putting 5 plants per tower. Almost finished here now. Right, lift it up the media a little bit underneath. One line to go, and ready to load that one at the moment. So this is what the blank framework looks like. Water line coming in through a filter, and then it's going to feed into the top of the tower. Right, let's put it on, guys. Gutter sits at the bottom, and the gutter holds the weight of the tower. So when we put it in, we make sure that the wicking strips are all down and touching the water at the bottom. This connects up at the top. Noch. Yeah, somewhere there. Okay, so now we have the tower complete, and we've got 25 plants, strawberry plants in here, and our water will then flow through the top, and it'll flow in through the top and down. So yeah, here we have it. Water flowing through in the top, and we've got some good drip coming through from the top. So watch the space.